When you are working as an entrepreneur or as a business owner, doesn't matter whether your business size is large, mid, or small. But one of the important foundations that you have to build up for your business is the right pricing strategy. That right pricing strategy can help you to create more profitable business, more scalable business, and that is going to create more values overall in your business. So how you are going to create the right pricings for a right product in a right market, that you have to think, that you have to consider within yourself. Because if you do not have the right pricing for a right product in a right market, it means you are going to lose the values of your business over the period of the time. So pricing is one of the profitable indications. Pricing is one of the scalable business and valuations. So pricing is going to help more in order to drive more profitable business, more scalable business. How you are going to create the right pricing strategies for a right product or service in a right market, that you have to decide. Before going to launch your product or services, you have to find out what price you are going to charge to the customer, and the customer is accepting the price that what you have decided and selling in the market. This is also a big question. If you are going to overcharge of a particular product or services, your customer is going to reject the offer. You are not going to sell the way you want it to be, even though you have a right team, right approach, right balance, good quality of your product or services, because you are overcharging of that particular product or service. If you are undercharging, even in this case you have a problem. The customer is going to create the problem on qualities, and they will start to make more issues that might be possible that your product is in a bad quality, because they are going to decide basis of the variations of the price of that particular product in a similar market. So now you have to decide that how you are going to factor the right price in a right market. So what are those right strategies that you have to use in order to drive the profitable business, that you have to decide, you have to think. Let I'm sharing some of the tips, some of the techniques that can help you to bring more profitable business, more productive business, and that can help you to bring more values in the business. What are those tools and techniques? Number one, the price what you are going to charge is must be in a competitor's values. Your price must be competitor values. What you have to do in this case here is that what price you are going to offer for a particular service or a particular product, you have to check with the market that what price the competitors are charging. Is there any significant variations in the product values or price? If the price variation is 5 to 10%, it can be acceptable in any of the market. But if price variation is 25%, 30% or more, then your product is not going to be accepted by the any market, or your product is going to reject by the customer. So think logically, then what right price you are going to set in a right market, that you have to decide. So your price must be competitor values as well. Your price must be like that. That is going to help you. Now, with the help of this competitor values and the competitor price, the second point would be here is the track record. You have to understand the track record. What do you mean by that track record? If you have a business, you have nurtured your business and create more values in your business, you can be able to set more productive price. You can be able to use some of the scientific method to calculate the price and offer. But imagine you are in a startup business. You have started the business. You do not carry any values. You do not have any track record. You do not have any case study. You do not have any business values. In this case, if you are going to charge to your customer without considering this all the factorings, your price is not going to accept by the customer. In this case, you have to serve as a service, not to sell the product or service. You have to give the service to your customers, not to sell to the customer, because you are starting the business, and in this case you have to focus more on the productivity of the service deliverable, instead of to see yourself that you are going to sell the product or services in the potential markets. This is very important to understand. So track record is going to help you in order to determine the more profitable values of your product and services. With this, the third point, which are very important, as a right strategic for your pricings, as a right strategic for your profitable business, is the brand value. So, what do you mean by the brand value? And the brand value means that when you are starting the business and you carry more values, the people, the audience, the customers are knowing to you, knowing to your brand, then yes, this is the good brand, this is a good product or services we can buy without any hesitations, without any compromising with the cost they can be able to purchase. So the brand value would become basis of how you are going to rendering the services and how you are going to make sure that yes, you are into the right product and right service deliverable. Brand value will not be able to generate within one day. It is going to generate over the period of the time. So make sure that if you are in a startup business, you have to first focus on service the values, not to sell the values. If you have already experienced and nurtured your business and create some more business value and people know about your product or services, in that case you will start to use the concept of the brand value, and that is going to help you much more in your business. That is going to help you much more in your business. With this, the fourth and the last strategy that you have to use in your business is value for money for the customer. Imagine the moment when you started with the business. You have not created the values in your product or services. You are simply selling the product or services in the markets. What do you mean that you are going to sell the product or services the way the customer are expecting? Not at all. So what you have to do in this case here is then you have to enter into the shoes of the customer and ask yourself at that point of time that what I have to do so that our product or my product can be able to sell without compromising any of the cost. The customer or the potential customer can buy our product without compromising on the value, without compromising on the cost. They can be able to purchase the product or services without any compromising, without any negotiations. That kind of tools and techniques you have to develop in your brand, in your product, in your services, and that is going to help you more in order to drive more profitable business. So value for money for the customer is one of the significant part for the right pricing strategy in order to create more profitable business, and that is going to help much more in your business cycle. So what you have to do as an entrepreneur or as a business owner here is that you have to set the right pricing or right strategic for your product. What you have to do here is your price must be the competitor price. The brand value, the track record are value for money for the customer. That is going to help this 4 point you have to help, and this is going to help in order to decide and drive more profitable business, more valuable business, and overall growth as a whole. So this is going to help, my dear friend. So right pricing strategies for your product or services is going to be with the help of these steps, these tools, or these techniques. You have to apply in your business, and you will find out then there are some changes is going to start, because at the end of the day, if customers are not happy, you are not going to be keep happy to yourself. You have to find out within yourself more and more tremendous opportunity. You have to find out within yourself more and more phenomenal growth. You have to find out within yourself that what the right technique, tools, and the steps we can use in order to drive more profitable business, more sustainable business, and that is going to help you at the end of the day to make sure that overall growth of the business is going to be happen. You have to find out within yourself. So do this and find out that what growth you are going to bring in your business. This is Sanjay Singh signing out. Until we meet again, thank you. Thank you very much.